Hello, traders. If you are still struggling to find the right direction of the market, even after learning deeply into ICT and CRT concepts, then this breakdown video will be specially for you guys. Hello, everyone. My name is Hamza, and welcome back into another chapter. This video will be a complete breakdown video on XAU USD. It is the same setup which I have executed in today New York session at the right key time. I will show you and teach you step by step that how I look into market and how I have executed this perfect setup. So stay focused till the end because this session could clear all your confusions or being facing and give you the clarity that you need in your own trades. First of all, let me clear the charts and show you the clear indication. Also, I will cut out these two 4-hour candles and show you exactly how to look deeply into the charts. First of all, I have checked the daily time frame as my higher time frame. Daily time frame was clearly indicating me a rejection block. Like this was a clear cut rejection from the sellers towards the upside in daily time frame. Then I go to the H4-hour time frame. In H4-hour time frame, let me cut it down back. Prices formed a CISD level right down here. Here is the bearish continuation candle, which indicates a continuational selling in the market, and we have this change in state of delivery right above at this level. It was the same 50% of the upper half and lower half of the daily time frame rejection block. This was an extra confirmation for me. Let me delete this one so charts can be more clear for you. Then I marked my CRT high and CRT low in H4-hour time frame. Again, I have marked my draw on liquidity to the sell side as well. After that, I have shifted to the M15 for a lower time frame NT confirmation. In M15, price shows a clear SMC divergence with the silver, so I have marked the SMT right down here. I marked this breakout as a market structure shift. I was clearly waiting for price to hit this CISD in the lower time frame. This was the higher time frame CISD, and this is the lower time frame CISD. Okay, here was I can see that price was moved a whole down without testing my area, so I put my Fibo on the whole move, and I have cleared down the premium and discount levels as well. Then I have marked my true day open as well, which was right here. At the same time, I have marked the New York session as well. A New York session opening prices from 7 to 11. So I have marked this whole New York area as well. Write down, let me mark this is as a New York kill zone. And in the New York kill zone, I will also mark my 9 to 11 cycle, which is a micro and distribution cycle. So I have marked it as well. At the same time, prices here was my pending drawn liquidity. at the right on this 3 bar swing high. I simply waited the price to reach to the my key level and taken out this drawn liquidity right here. You guys can see here was the CISD level and here is the draw on liquidity purge. After the purging of drawn liquidity, I have simply shift to the M1 right here. After the M1, I have this CISD as well, this invariant FVG as well. So whenever price break down and closed below this CISD, I have taken my sell positions, SL above the high, and I have simply target the CRT low as my target like that. Let me show you an additional confirmation right above here. Whenever price have taken the liquidity and tap into your key level, you guys can see price have clearly given another SMT with your swing high, which will be another confirmation of your entry. This was your second SMT, which will be a within SMT. Okay, so here was a whole breakdown video and entry confirmation. Hope you guys understand how to use your key levels and entry time frames, entry alignments as a fractal model. This is my fractal model. This is my silver bullet model. This is my turtle soup model. This is my unicorn model. Okay, here was your first entry. Let me show you in M1 and M3 where you guys can take a second position as well. Here was your last swing low and last swing high. After that, here was your M3 market structure shift. Okay, so here was your breaker block as well. This was your breaker block. After the uh, after closing below to the market structure shift area, right down at this candle, prices clearly tap into the breaker block, and again you guys can target the CRT low. It was a complete breakdown video, and let me show you the next move of the market as well. For me personally, if I will look into the daily time frame, so here is the level which is where the premium level is converted into the discount level. Let me show you the H4 hour time frame levels as well. For me, this drawn liquidity is already pushed, so this is a no more drawn liquidity. I have this fair value gap where price can react, only can react. If price will be react from this area, it will simply test a 50% of this whole move. Okay, but I cannot think, I don't think that this area will be respected. My real draw on liquidity will be this IRL. Price can easily tap into this IRL, and I will again look for another confirmation towards the buy side, and my target will be the recent DRL. Here is your DOL, and which will be your H4 hour time frame and daily time frame ERL. Okay, I hope you guys have liked this video, and if you want me to make more breakdown videos for you, then just react on this post if you are watching it on Telegram, or send me some comments if you are watching on my YouTube channel. Take care. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.